of Dance. Now it's time to felicitate the students of Aham School of Dance. May I please invite the chief guest and guest of honor onto the stage to do the honors, please.
I hope you all enjoyed the performance. Thank you so much for coming. I don't want to give the vote of thanks now, but I really feel like thank you so much. Now the felicitation. This is a small memento from Aham School of Dance for all the participants. I would request Smita and Mr. Pramod to be on the stage. So I'll just say a few words about each student. And first let's start with Danya. So Danya is my senior most student and she's my friend, and also we can talk about dance for hours together. And thank you Danya for performing here. Next is Chitruba. So Chitruba is a new dancer. You won't believe she has not learned dance so far, and at this age she's learning the dance. Her dedication and her confidence is really amazing. Thank you, Chitruba. And next is Abhigna. Abhigna is my first student in UK. So she's of course close to my heart, and she has a wonderful future in dance. May God bless her. Thank you, Abhigna. And next is Aparna. I don't want to follow any order. Please don't mistake. I'm just calling out the names just in random. Aparna, she's sister of Abhigna, and she's so good at postures. I love her dance. Thank you, Aparna. And next is Adya, the Krishna. And such a cute expression she has. Thank you. And next is Nakshatra. So she is the expression queen of Aham. Thank you, Nakshatra. And the smallest one, which is Yashvi. She is so cute, and whatever step I do, she can do it immediately. She doesn't know what I'm saying, but she can replicate the step as soon as possible. Look at her style, how she was standing on the stage. Thank you, Yashvi. And another sweetheart, which is Sitara. She is a newcomer, but still she's the naughty one in the class. But she is so amazing and cute. Thank you, Sitara. Next is Kartika, and an upcoming dancer. She also started learning the dance now, and she's doing a wonderful job. Thank you. And Tashvi. Sorry, I missed Tashvi. Oh, okay. I couldn't see her. And one latest ad, which is Akshita. Is she over here? Yes. She joined 3 weeks before, and she performed 2 items. She's an amazing dancer. You could find the change in the costume as well. So we have mixed and matched to matches. But she was wonderful on the stage. Absolute confidence. Thank you, Akshita. Thanks for joining. Yes. I couldn't get a similar memento for her because it was a late edition. Thank you, Akshita. Thank you so much. And final one is Deepika. Oh God, how can I forget her? Deepika, thank you. One important note about Deepika, she is from Kent. So she comes to my classes in Chelmsford all the way traveling, and she also started learning dance in her adult age, not from her childhood. So it's not an easy job at all. Getting the physical fitness and sitting in squats is not an easy job. Thank you, you are a big inspiration, Deepika. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you, Pramod sir and Smita. Thank you so much. I would like to hand over the mic to Pramod sir. He wanted to say a few words. Thank you so much.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. I initially thought of starting the speech with Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, but after seeing all these performances, I wanted to say Krishnaya Vasudevaya. Honestly tell me, how many of us went to Gokulam now? And that deserves a standing ovation for sure. Thank you. It's not at all an easy task coming to UK, getting such people, wonderful people, and continue to teach this a beautiful art form. There are many art forms, especially talking about dance. It has everything. You can listen to the amazing music, you can connect to the dancers, you can connect to the story, you can connect to yourself. That is the oneness that tells aham. Aham meaning me, I, etc., etc. But a very big difference is there between when I say I am doing or aham. Literally or technically both gives the same meaning. But when I say I, it is with ego. But when I say aham, it is oneness. A beautiful name, beautiful. What can you get once you join Aham School of Dance? Always happiness, amazing motivation. AHAM. Srimati Janani ma'am. I think most of you have heard a very famous statement. I would recite in Kannada. ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ತಾಯಿಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು. Meaning of it is the home is the first school and mother is the first teacher. Her name as Janani, which is mother, and she is also a guru. So you all get double guru. And people who have gathered here are blessed people. You have sacrificed all your Netflix series, Amazon series, and gathered here. That's the reason I'm calling you as blessed people. In these days, for the kids, youngsters, we saw how good they were. Just in 1 year or 3 months, how much time you took? 3 to 4 months, if they are doing this, if they continue this art form for years together of more and more practice, you can imagine how good they will be. And this is the art form which connects directly to the God. Even before the entering Adya and another Krishna onto the stage, we were able to see Krishna imaginary. So the dance was shown so beautifully, even without Krishna being there literally or physically. we were able to connect to Lord Krishna. That is the beauty of this dance form. I must congratulate Janani ma'am and her entire team for getting this together, and good that I think you mentioned that is in Chelmsford, UK, London. There are so many things happening in London, but within this Essex area, Chelmsford area, this type of thing I am seeing for the very first time, and I am pretty sure this Aham School of Dance will be there forever. They call it as Achandrarka, meaning until sun and moon stays, the school of dance will remain forever and ever and ever. And special call out for the parents. I know a couple of parents here. I know how encouraging they are, and because of you, your kids' life will be brighter because of all these art forms. See, getting a doctor, engineering is one side of the story, but doing these things will help them in every way, because this is a complete subject, as I was saying. In the dance, it has physics, sound, it has science, it has mathematics, it has yoga, it has everything. It's a complete subject. You can ask how, mathematics, rhythm. So I think they perform so many different rhythmic patterns. One is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same speed, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it calls us Chaturasra, Trishram, Khanda, etc. in the technical language of music. But to get there, what is rhythm? Where rhythm starts? When rhythm starts in our life, as soon as a kid is born, the heartbeat, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, that's where rhythm comes into our life. So with all these things keeping in mind, I congratulate all the parents for encouraging and getting your kids to this art form. Really appreciate that, and please do continue and spread this to your friends, family and everyone. And once again, hearty congratulations to everyone, and thanks for inviting me. I especially thank Parna's mother and the Krishna's mother. Thank you everyone, thank you.
Thank you for the kind words. Thank you. Smita, would like to say a few words? Thank you.
I don't know what to say. Everything has been said already. But I would say the performances were adbhut. There is no English word, so I have to use this word. It was adbhut. It was ati sundar. I just was immersed into this world, Krishna's world, that was created by your student Janani. So, welcome to Chelmsford. And I congratulate you on starting the School of Dance, Aham School of Dance. I would also like to congratulate all your students because they have taken such effort to perform here today. And they are obviously come to a certain level already, even though it has been just a few months or few weeks. So well done to all of you. Well done and congratulations. All it takes is one step towards the right direction, and then you are there. You're already there. So I would say that I'm looking forward to more of your performances. Hopefully one day in the Royal Albert Hall. But we have Chelmsford Theatre as well locally. So maybe some performances there. I think you would enthrall the audience with your amazing grace, and beautiful expressions. I can't believe I have never witnessed this before, first hand from right there. And this was amazing. I had tears in my eyes just looking at you and your expressions. Janani, you've done an amazing job. So very well done and congratulations. It's our privilege and honor that you are here. And now with you, you bring your talent and your beautiful truth. So welcome and well done. Congratulations and I wish you the best.
Thank you so much, Smita. You made my day, both made my day actually. Thank you so much. I would call Umesh, my husband, to give a vote of thanks.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. What a joyful and memorable day it has been. As we come to the close of our first anniversary annual day celebrations, it's my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire Aham family. Yes, Aham, the newly unveiled name of our beloved dance school. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to the esteemed chief guest, the Honorable Deputy Mayor of Chelmsford, Councillor Smita Rajesh. And our guest of honor, the Veena exponent, Sri Pramod Rudra Pratna Prasanna Kumar. Thank you so much for gracing this special occasion with their presence. Your support and kind words really mean a lot to us. This evening wouldn't have been the same without the amazing energy of our students brought to the stage, from the youngest kids to the the young adults and the adults. Your hard work and dedication and love for dance lit up this stage and reminded us exactly why we began this journey. Thank you so much, everyone. To all the proud parents of our little stars, thank you so much for your trust and continued support. Your involvement and encouragement play a huge role in shaping up their confidence and love for dance. Thank you so much. To our adult students, thank you for taking time out of your busy lives and to follow your passion. Your energy has been truly amazing, truly inspiring. Thank you so much. A special vote of thanks to all the friends and families and well-wishers who have taken time to join us today. You have made this celebration even more meaningful. Thank you so much. And to the business entrepreneurs who have been kind enough to set up their stalls and supported us, creating this lively festive atmosphere. We truly appreciate your partnership with us. Thank you so much. A big thanks to Amrita, who anchored today's event with such grace. Your presence kept the energy flowing continuously. Thank you so much. We are equally grateful to Janani's colleagues and friends who all have come here and helped us support, and in setting up the entire logistics, and that they have been helpful to us throughout this event. Thank you so much. And also we would like to thank Jobin, our photographer, for supporting us. Thanks for coming today. Thank you so much. This evening was not just about the celebration of Aham School of Dance and our growth. It was a tribute to the traditional dance form that traces its roots back to 2000 years and more. By learning and performing this art, our students are not only expressing themselves, but also helping preserve a rich cultural legacy that has stood the test of time. We are filled with excitement and hope for what lies ahead. This is just the beginning of a beautiful journey, and we are so grateful to have you all with us on this path. Thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts. Here's to dancing forward with joy, grace, and a whole lot of rhythm, and to attain oneness through dance. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thank you. It means a lot. And now we are ending the evening with Mangalam, which is kind of thank you to God on behalf of all the students. May I request all the students of the school, Aham School of Dance, to be on the stage for the Mangalam.